Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for today's vlog, we have this very special surprise package from Anta. So Anta is a Chinese basketball shoe slash lifestyle brand. One of their biggest endorsers, of course, is Klay Thompson. But anyway, so they sent over, I think is his latest shoe, which is the KT6. And what we'll be doing in today's episode is we will be unboxing it, checking it out, and see if it's worth buying or not. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We constantly do giveaways here. In fact, we are about to draw the winners for the Kata bag giveaway. So that's a joint giveaway with Kata bags, and we're giving away off-white Nike Dunks. The details to that can be found on my Instagram, so check my Instagram account out. Link down below. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes in this really nice looking box. It looks like some sort of like recycled material. You have the Klay Thompson logo over here, and this apparently is supposed to represent, like from what I've read, mountains and water or rivers. So that's like the overall theme and flow of the shoe. So if you pop the box open, we have a couple of packets. This one actually explains the technology of the sneaker because it uses multiple elements to support your ankle, to give you the best type of cushioning, to help with foot containment, to support your arc. All of those features are built in with the sneaker. You also have like a quick discussion of what the shoe is all about. Apparently, this particular model is called the KT6 High Mountain Water Flows. So, diba? Social. Now, from what they sent me, apparently, this is supposed to represent Klay Thompson's style, which is attacking in smooth moves and defending like a solid mountain. Rar! Diba? So, may rar pa talaga. So, if we unwrap the shoe, oh wow! Ang guwapo! Guys, this is it. This is the KT6 High Mountain Water Flows. Ba-bam! Okay, so let's go over the sneaker. First, in terms of aesthetics, it looks kick-ass. I mean, it looks incredibly dope. I love the color blocking. I love the shades of black, that almost paintbrush style that you see here on the forefoot, the different textures and materials that you find all around the sneaker, and it really looks like an incredibly slick, kick-ass shoe. So this is the type of sneaker that I would love to wear also as a, as a casual type of sneaker, because it just looks incredibly sick. Now, having said that, we'll go over some of the key basketball like support features for your appreciation. So first and foremost, you have this strap, and this strap over here will allow for better foot containment, especially for your midfoot, so that your feet doesn't move too much while you are playing basketball, which is critical. Speaking of support, you have this heel piece over here, which is harder compared to the other textures of the sneaker, to provide your heel better support as you are moving either laterally, forward, or whatever type of movement. This will keep your heel secure. You also have support for your arc. Apparently, they put like some sort of carbon fiber plate over here that you see over there, and that's supposed to give your feet better stability and support as you are running forward, running backward, making lateral movements. And lastly, they're using their latest cushioning technology, which is the combination of Smart SAM and Alti-Flash. So Alti-Flash is the foam that you see over here, which provides the cushioning and the impact support, while the Smart SAM is actually a heel piece that you don't get to see. Well, over here. So that's the green material that you see here at the back of the heel, and this is supposed to help with shock absorption. So the combination of those two things, plus the 3D hug support module, that's the thing that you see over here on the medial side, provides all the technology to keep your feet secure and comfortable. Now, in terms of other key details, you have the Klay Thompson logo, of course, at the tongue tab. You have Nature Flow written on the strap, which is, of course, the design, style, and philosophy that they employed for the sneaker. And you have Chinese characters written over here, as well as here's the back. Some of them actually say High Mountain Water Flows, which is, of course, the name of the sneaker, as well as mighty as Mount Tai and as flexible as flowing water, which is a reference to the legendary friendship between musician Boya and Zong Ziki from Master LV Spring and Autumn Gourmet. In short, a lot of Chinese culture, a lot of performance thinking and design, and of course, attuned to Klay Thompson's play style is infused into this sneaker. Now you're probably thinking, how much is this sneaker going to sell for? So the SRP, according to the file that they sent me, is 6,995 pesos. And you should be able to buy it from Lazada. I will link it down below if you guys want to pick one up. Now, as to how it feels on feet, so I actually tried it as a casual sneaker yesterday. I wore it the entire afternoon, wore it the entire evening, and I can tell you that in terms of comfort, it is one of the most comfortable basketball sneakers I've worn. And it's not the type of sneaker that will give your feet a lot of fatigue as you wear it for a long period of time, which is something that you usually get with a lot of tight basketball shoes. So in terms of performance, I can't speak to that obviously, but I'll try to look for a great performance review that I'll link down below that you guys can watch. But in terms of, like, you know, casual everyday wear, I love the design, I love the build, I love the look. Really dope, really kick-ass shoe that's comfortable. You might want to check it out. Now, if you guys want a special deal, you can actually buy it from the Anta stores, as in the physical stores. And you can even get like a free KT doll. Apparently, there's like 150 pieces up for grabs for people who want to get it via the physical store. So that said, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you had a great week, and I pray you all have an amazing, meaningful, and restful weekend up ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.